Hey y'all, welcome back to another Tuesday Tips and Tricks. We are back again this week to show you another collection of our containers, the matching lids, and our wick recommendations for your container waxes. This week we are showing you our two straight-sided round jars. We carry these in a 4-ounce and a 9-ounce. This has become a very popular style jar. It's just a very nice classic look. Now for the 4-ounce straight-sided round jar, we have the number 58 twist lids that fit these, and we carry these in black and in silver. And then for the 9-ounce straight-sided round, we have 3 different colors in the number 70 twist lid. We have gold, black, and silver. So there's a lot of different options to choose from when it comes to the lids for these containers. So the 4-ounce straight-sided round jar is 2.32 inches wide. So for your soy container waxes, we would recommend using the Eco 4. And then for the single pour paraffins, we would recommend using the LX18. And this jar has a wax capacity of approximately 3.14 ounces. For the 9-ounce straight-sided round jar, this jar is 2.84 inches wide. It holds approximately 6.98 ounces of wax. And for your soy container waxes, we would recommend using the Eco 8. And for the single pour paraffin waxes, we would recommend using the LX20. Okay, that's going to be it for this week, guys. Come back next week and we'll show you more.